This video is going to explain some of the advanced line and curve options. So let's just draw a graphic to explain them to start with. It's important to have the snap to hoop off in this case because sometimes you appear that you won't select the lines when you actually are selecting the lines. So we drew a graphic. Let's say we didn't want to have this particular line here. We could select delete line or curve before, and we click the mouse button here, you'll notice it deleted that line. Let's say I want to delete this line, we do the same thing, this line the same thing. Let's say we didn't want to do that, we could either undo or we could add a line before. So if we want to add another line, we can do that. We're adding more lines. Now curves are pretty much the same sort of thing, although curves, the only thing that really affects a curve is the end points as far as adding and deleting. So if we wanted to delete, let's say, this curve here, we would choose delete or line curve before, and we can click this endpoint. If we click this, it won't do anything. I had to click an endpoint to tell it which curve to delete. Right now we only have one curve left, and let's say we wanted to add a curve, would do the same sort of thing. We click the curve, and you notice another curve becomes available. There is instantly 2 control points added. We're going to do it again. Again, there's 2 control points added. So you notice that we have lots of control points all over the place, and sometimes this can get very confusing. So we have a menu option here that actually will tell us the handle numbers. So you can now see which handles belong to what. So in this case, the first curve should have 4 handle numbers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see 1 is up here, 3 is down here, 2 is here, 4 is here. So to get these curves kind of straightened out, we want to put the control points back, get them ordered together. And without these numbers, you would have no clue other than experimentation on how to move these curves around. Hopefully, generally, you won't have to add too many curves, but the option here is available for you to do that. It becomes useful sometimes when you just have one little curve that you want to add to a current object.